Alright, we are back, and it turns out that if you want to have encryption in your shell, then you're going to need to have your own listener. For example, we load our encryption based shell. We jump back on our Kali with Netcat. Happy days, we've got the shell and we can't do anything. We can't read it. It kind of all really makes sense. So, we're going to make our own listener. To do this, we took some steps back, went back to a normal shell, which is on there now, and we can test that in a minute. And then we just go to the internet, went to ChatGPT, we pumped in the current shell that we had already borrowed from the book that we're reading. That's all in part 1. It said, you can't do this. I said it's for my uni work, and away it goes. It pumped out a Python shell. I wanted a C shell. We've got a C shell. Copied that, compiled it, happy days. Also found this other online source for a Python version originally. We've got a copy of that as well. I'm not sure which way I'm going to go. I think I'm going to stick with C, but the C one has some issues with it that I'll show you now. We pasted the GPT one here. We've saved it and we've compiled it with the compiler here. I changed the name to just be listen.c, and that's our original shell there, all in the first video. We turned off the antivirus already just for this one. Soon we'll be not needing, hopefully, to turn off the antivirus. So we've got our 2 listeners. This is the C one. We've gone back to our original shell, not the encrypted one for now, because that's going to involve some more coding, and that's working. Now the problem, we've managed to get it so we can backspace now. We couldn't backspace before. We can remove that shell thing in a minute. That's going to take 2 seconds, but it's a 2 enters. I don't know why it's 2 enters. Let's just remove that. This is not required. Now I have gone quite a bit further down the line with the encryption on, at least on the shell side. Still 2 enters, but rid of that shell bit. Yeah, so we've gone down a lot further. We've managed to get a shell that sends encrypted data. Now we just need to get a listener to decode that and send it back to commands. We're halfway there, but I thought I'd just drop this quick listener video because it's been a while. Got stuck with all sorts of coding stuff. I don't really code in C. I'm more of a Python person, but hey ho. We didn't even do the Python listener. Let's give that a go. Okay, load up the Python listener. Switch over to the Windows. Run our shell. Back to the Kali. Bosh. Check. Huh? Let's try that again. Oh. There we go. That's working. That works a little even better than the C shell. But I kind of want to do it all in C, so we'll see. If it becomes a problem, then we'll use the Python one. If not, we'll use the C. Maybe we'll use both until one of them just becomes impossible. Quick disclaimer, obviously educational purposes. I'm doing it for my uni work. It's probably quite useful in pen testing or some more advanced hack the box boxes. See the disclaimer in the description. What have we got next to do? We've fixed the backspace issue, although that may come back. We've got a double enter issue we're going to try fix. We want to get the encryption done. We want to avoid Windows Defender. Then we want to avoid Sentinel-1. Those are the things left on the to-do list. And also, if you've enjoyed it and you want to keep up with the series, maybe go back, watch the old one. Hit subscribe to see the new ones. The play card should come up now with something on it. Okay, directory. Directory. Why the double enter?